Hey everyone, you might have seen subscription boxes before for just normal little things or gaming stuff. Well, I found one that is for jewelry supplies and materials. And it's from benchtooljunkies.com. And this is their January 2019 box. So, here's everything that it comes with. And if you didn't know what everything was, they made sure to include an entire thing explaining everything that you're getting. So let's actually look at what they sent. Got a brass caliper, and a digital caliper, we got some nice little turquoise, a jeweler's loop. My light looks kind of cool on that. This is pretty nice. It's nice and heavy and the whole frame is metal. Which I have one of these, but it's all plastic. And we also got some silver castings. So this one kind of looks like an artichoke or a flower. And these are, I believe it said snake vertebrae. And then we have some hand massaging tools, I guess you would call them. So there's this little ball, and there's this. When I first saw this, I had no idea what it was until I went through and read the instructions that came with this. If you'll stay in focus. Come on, camera. You can do it. I guess not. But basically, with this, you can put it on your finger and roll it up and down your finger. And it says on here that it basically just massages your fingers and allows more blood flow. So you don't get, it basically relieves stiff joints. So there are different tiers to this box. If I can find where that is on here. There it is. So there's a beginner's box, an intermediate, and an advanced. This is the advanced box. And because you are watching this, I have a discount code that you can get a free $30 gift if you go onto their website and sign up using the code GomeowCreations. And I'll show you how to do that on the screen now. So all you have to do is head over to their website, which is benchtooljunkies.com. Go to the subscribe now and pick which type of box you want to get, along with if you want it to be a one-time purchase or a subscription that will come every month, and you'll get something different every month. So go ahead and add that to your cart. Then simply click on it again over here and click here for your free gift and add that to your cart. So once you have everything there, go ahead and go to checkout. And at checkout, if you enter the code GomeowCreations, it will make your free gift free by taking the $30 off of it. And it's as simple as that. Oh, and if you want to see what they've already shipped out in previous months, just go up to the top here and click Past Supply Drops. And you can see everything that was shipped out in the last couple months. And if you want to see what's inside of them, just go ahead and click on it, and it will tell you and show you pictures of every item inside of the box. So this is everything that came in the box, and I'm going to be making another video showing how I'm going to use the turquoise and some of the little silver bits to make something, and some more of my stuff too, because I need a little bit more to actually make a full piece. But I wanted to show you the box now, so you can get your discount code if you wanted to order one for next month. So if you like this video, please feel free to leave a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And if you want to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I try to get out new videos every week, and I'm starting to get a live stream set up so I can actually communicate with you in real time. Well, that's about it, so see you guys next time. Bye.